Hey, third graders, this lesson is focusing on transitions when we are writing our opinion paper. This text is called Having Good Manners is Important. As we read this together, watch for where the author writes in their transitions. Have you ever invited a friend over to your house? They make a big mess and leave without helping you clean up the mess? Have you ever spent a long time picking out a special present for someone? They open it and toss it aside without saying thank you? Or have you ever been around someone who thinks it's funny to burp in your face or take food off your plate without asking? These are all examples of bad manners, and also why I strongly believe that it is important to have good manners. One reason I think it's important to have good manners is because you want people to have a good first impression of you. A first impression is someone's opinions or thoughts that they have about you when they meet you for the first time. For example, when you meet someone for the first time, you might look them in the eye, shake their hand, and say, "Nice to meet you." This first impression most likely will make the person feel welcomed and valued. In return, they might give the same respect to you or invite you around more. When you display good manners, people enjoy your company more. Another reason it is important to have good manners is it shows gratitude and appreciation. Anytime someone gives you something out of kindness, whether it's a friend, parent, or stranger, you should always say thank you. This shows that you appreciate the person's time and hard work. Once again, this helps the person feel valued and most likely will bring a smile to their face. Making others feel valued can make you feel good as well. Most importantly, having good manners reflects positively on your parents, teachers, and other people who have helped mold you into the polite person you are. Many people in your life have taught you how to treat others with respect. Having good manners around others, like saying please and thank you, helping clean up after spending time at someone's house, or saying excuse me when you have something to say, all give credit to the people who helped raise you. In conclusion, having good manners not only makes people enjoy your company more, but it also makes people around you feel respected. Showing good manners will honor the people in your life that have educated you on how to treat others. So, help make some of those people proud by using the good manners you have been taught. On this transitions page in your packet, you do not need to write anything down, but take some time to take a look at this. Soon you're going to be writing the rough draft of your opinion paper. Think about these ideas for sentence starters or ways to begin a sentence. You might start with, "in my opinion," or "I think," or "I feel." When you are writing your reasons for your opinion rough draft soon, these are some words to think about using in your own paper. For example, you might start out with "first," or "to begin with," "next," or "another reason." Some other ideas you could use in your paper could be "most importantly," "finally," and "one last reason." Again, you do not need to write anything on this page today. Just be thinking about writing your rough draft, as we will be doing that assignment soon.